How are you all doing, Ralfy? Ralfy Customs. Time for a Tuesday vlog. Vlog. Right, now it's been brought to my attention that maybe I use a lot of profanity, or a little profanity, or that I swear now and again. So with that in mind, I'm going to attempt to do this vlog and make it family friendly. Let's see how it goes. So we're on with this fucking ironhead bastard buster. Yeah, we've got the and we're just looking at mounting the oil tank, the and I got the tank. So we need to sort that out. And I'm at that unusual what I've fucking done with the tank is I've made these and you see under there, I'll show you better when I take the off, and we'll have a look at how I've done that. Obviously I've got to do the something here and here. I use my little brackets that I use for everything to mount the innit? That's not working, is it? Let's see, there's got to be a better way, isn't there? There's got to be a better way. Okay, I'll give this a go. See how this goes, yeah? Yeah? Stay tuned. Fuck it. You love it or fucking hate it. It is what it is. Don't you go fucking changing. You'll be badass. So big shout out to all of the fucking family and the followers. Fucking love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Arco and Heidi Outlaw Edge. Joey Collins over at Mill Creek Fab. Glenn NZ Mopar. Mikey Knight. And I'm going to mention Wayne fucking Reynolds. Who the fuck is Wayne Reynolds? And Danny at DG Retro Customs, Mr. Pete 222, Joe Pye, all these people are great inspirations. Blondie Hacks, check out fucking Blondie Hacks. Quinn does some great shit. Anyway, there you go. Keep rocking. Lots of love, everyone, and I'll see you soon.